Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Luxury Vehicle. Today we are diving deep into the Chevrolet Camaro SS, and it may just be the last of its kind. In this video, we're diving into everything that makes this modern muscle coupe such a beast, from the roaring V8 under the hood, to the tech-packed interior. Let's hit it. At first glance, the Camaro SS doesn't reinvent the wheel, but it doesn't have to. It's muscular, sculpted, and unapologetically aggressive. The new front fascia features a revised grille with sharper LED headlights, a functional hood vent, and an even wider stance. You've got SS-specific badging, optional blacked-out trim, and 20-inch aluminium wheels wrapped in Goodyear Eagle F1 performance tires. Around back, quad exhaust tips and a decklid spoiler finish the look. Old school muscle meets modern edge. Under the hood, a naturally aspirated 6.2-liter LT1 V8 pushing out 455 horsepower and 455 pound-feet of torque. It's mated to either a 6-speed manual or a lightning-quick 10-speed automatic, 0 to 60 in just about 4 seconds. The exhaust note, pure American thunder, and with magnetic ride control and a limited slip differential. This isn't just a straight-line bruiser, it handles corners like a sports car. The SS sits on GM's Alpha platform A, same as the Cadillac CT4V. That means lightweight, rigid, and agile. Brembo brakes come standard, and you can opt for the one-track performance package, adding upgraded suspension, enhanced cooling, and sticky summer tires. Inside, Chevy's gone for an evolution rather than revolution. The SS gets a sleeker 11.3-inch touchscreen with Google built-in, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a fully digital 8-inch driver display. Materials are solid A, mostly soft touch up top, with suede or leatherette on higher rims. The flat-bottom steering wheel, SS embroidery on the seats, and available Recaro buckets add just the right amount of sportiness. Safety and tech features are now standard across the board: a forward collision alert, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and a high-definition rear-view camera. You even get a performance data recorder if you plan to hit the track. Fuel economy, it's not its strong suit, but it's better than you'd think. You can expect around 16 mpg city and 24 highway with the automatic, a bit less with the manual. Trunk space is tight, and rear seats are really just for bags or small kids. But who's buying a Camaro for practicality? Pricing for the Camaro SS starts around $45,000 and goes up depending on options. The one-track pack adds about $7,000, and with the Camaro's future uncertain, this could be your last chance to own a brand new V8 Camaro before electrification takes over. The Camaro SS isn't trying to be everything for everyone, and that's exactly why it works. It's raw, it's refined, and it's one of the last naturally aspirated V8 coupes still standing. So if you want old school thrills with new school tech and the sound of a real muscle car, the Camaro SS is still the king of the streets. And who knows, a broken bar, it might just be a future classic. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth car reviews, and let me know in the comments, is the Camaro SS the muscle car to beat, or has its time passed? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.